Hello from the Fox-Mann-Fam. Today I am going to be planting seeds for our gardens. It looks really nice out. It's going to be in the 70s. It's 73 right now and it's not even noon. Oh no, it's past noon. I've lost track of time. But we still are at risk of frost. We're still technically at risk for snow. So we take advantage of these nice days when we get them. And I will be planting things in milk jugs. Normally we call this winter seed sowing, and we normally do it in late March or early April, and it is early April. So I'm doing hollyhocks, balloon flowers, some clover, and maybe a couple other things. Oh, basil and thyme, I think. I found some packets of seeds that I didn't know I had. So Val has cut open the milk jugs. I am boiling water, or heating up water. For hollyhocks, if you sow them in the spring, you need to soak them either overnight in warm water or for 30 minutes in hotter water, and to break through that outer seed pod. Otherwise, they won't germinate till they've gone through a winter cycle. I've got two kinds of hollyhock here. One is a single. It's white with a very vibrant red interior. And then the other is a double, and it's just this gorgeous burgundy. So I'm going to be planting those. And there we go. We have a bunch of milk jugs here with seeds planted in them, from hollyhocks to thyme to basil, and we will keep them outside. The top is open so that rain can get in, snow could get in, and they function like little tiny greenhouses. If it gets, I didn't see that one in there. If it gets really cold, we can cover them up or move them closer to the house and cover them up. But they are good to go, and hopefully we'll see some germination in the next week or two.